In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access devices settings. After that, scroll down and click on Password and Security. Now you need to tap on Lock Screen Password over here and wait 5 seconds. Then choose Continue in this pop-up. Over here, click on the best password type for you. I will go with numeric. And then if you change your mind, click on Use a different password type and tap on one of those options, like pattern. Now you need to enter your login method and then repeat it. If you wish to use your fingerprint and add it from here, choose Add right away. If you don't, just select Cancel and do that later on. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!